Hey guys, welcome back to another Jack and Ed video.
Today we're here at Kings Langley.
Which is on the
Kings Langley, not Kings Apsley. Sorry about that.
Kings Langley, which is on the West Coast main line. So you'll be seeing services from Avanti West Coast, the fast ones,
London
and
North Western Railways,
and a bit of freight maybe. But who knows? So let's jump straight into it.
Okay, and our first train of the day to pass by.
It's an Avanti West Coast service from London Euston, to Preston.
Off to Preston as 350-110. Off to Northampton from London Euston.
Okay, so we have a Liverpool Lime Street to London Euston, Avanti West Coast 39 to Pendolino.
Okay, and we've got two trains coming now. We've got a passer, which is to Birmingham New Street, and 350-262 is leading a service to Tring. Yeah, that's 350-262. Fantastic. And that's 352-38 on the rear. That's actually off to Liverpool Lime Street. And anyway, this is 350-102 on the rear of this train. And yep, we'll get her.
Okay, so now the crossing is a class 350 London North Western Railway train. This is from London Euston. That's 350-102 from the service to train.
From London Euston. Okay.
We got a service from London North Western Railway, 350 service from Stafford to London Euston.
350 literally wobbling the electric lines as it whizzes past bound for London
Great
Euston.
turn.
Okay, and we have a London North Western Railway class 350 from Tring to London Euston. 350. And I believe we're going to have a Voyager and a Pendolino pass by
At the same time.
and the rear number is 350 something. I'll get her when she departs. And actually, they're a bit late, so that's actually more helpful. Okay, and as this train departs, we're going to have a double pairing. By the way, that's 350-409, which we saw earlier, I believe. We're going to have a pair of class 221 Voyagers off to Shrewsbury. and 221-122. They're really difficult to get the numbers on those. And there may be a Virgin train, not Virgin Trains,
Avanti West Coast.
service from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston pass by in a sec, but I can't see it for now, so I'll get her when she passes. Okay, we've got 350-410 and 350-145. They're off to Milton Keynes Central from London Euston.
Okay, so now approaching is a London North Western Railway to train from London Euston.
350-409 is on the front. Nice wave from the driver there. That's 350-409.
It's a lovely London North Western.
And I think I might have heard a little electronic whistle there, but I can't be sure. And that's 350-118, forming a London North Western Railway service
to
Tring. And we'll get her when she departs.
Okay, so now departing is a London North Western Railway service to Tring from London Euston.
350-409. lovely traction motors there.
Thank you very much.
And 350 118, and I believe we'll keep it running.
As there is a London North Western Railway service
To Milton Keynes. Oh, hello. And an Avanti, actually. Avanti from Birmingham New Street to London Euston, and there's also going to be, if we just come down round onto the fast platforms, we have a Class 350 off to, is that Crewe?
Yeah, it's off to Crewe.
Time for the driver. And that's from London Euston to Crewe. Okay,
And
the next train to pass
is
by
an
with great...
Avanti West Coast service from Manchester to London Euston.
Nice tone. That's 390 132.
Having a service to London Euston.
Okay, and we have a service arriving in 35404 from train to London Euston. 35404 is on the front. And on the rear is 350-251. Sorry guys, Ed has just gone to pick up a spare battery for the camera. But yeah, I'll get her when she departs. But we also have another service from Crewe, I think it's Crewe to London Euston, 350-114. And 350-105. And I will get this train when it departs.
Okay, so now the crossing is a London North Western Railway Class 350 service from Crewe to London Euston.
And as I said, the numbers, but they are 404 and 254. Pair of Class 350s. And yeah, I can just confirm, guys, that other Class 350 that passed by a second ago was indeed a service from Crewe to London Euston. Okay, and we have an empty stop movement, or I'm not quite sure actually what it is, but I think it's nice tone there. 172331 in a nice way. Following a stop movement from Tyseley DMU depot to Ilford. Very strange. Very strange, but it happens quite often. But that is a Class 172 and a fantastic tone from the driver there.
Thank you very much. Okay, so it's quite an iconic service. It's a fancy West Coast service to
Holyhead, from London Euston to Holyhead. 22115 is in the rear. I've got no idea what's on the front, but anyway.
Okay, so now not stopping here is a Milton Central in September.
350 and 35405 forming a circle. Milton Central
To London Euston.
Okay, we've got a Class 390. I think that's 39154, forming a service from
Preston to London Euston. So now approaching with speed is a Avanti West Coast service from London Euston to Manchester Piccadilly.
I'm going to move up the way.
390.
Ooh, that pantograph is cracking away. Okay,
And we've got a
Voyager, 221 Voyager. Couldn't read those numbers, but anyway, it's a pair of 221s from Birmingham New Street
to London Euston. Okay, so we have a kind of rare service. It's a London Euston to Blackwall North. Avanti West Coast car 390.
Nice.
That's
called Allison. It's 390-115 and it had on the front, it said Allison on the front.
Which is a plaque.
Yeah, I mean, don't ask me what that means, but anyway.
Okay guys, so that concludes the end of the video. We hope you have enjoyed it like we have.
Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe.
And from us at Kings Langley and me and Jed,
goodbye!